Welcome to Wonder Garden. I'm an expert in organic fertilizers, and many of you have asked whether the fertilizers I've shared can be used for other types of plants. In today's video, I'll guide you on making a fertilizer using this powder for all your flowering plants. I'm confident that starting today, you'll begin applying this powder to your plants. But first, please hit the like button and share this video with as many people as possible. For those new to the channel, subscribe so you don't miss any tips. Today's video is mainly for those just starting to learn how to grow plants. If you're struggling to get your plants to bloom again, if you bought a plant from a flower shop, brought it home, and all the flowers fell off, and now it's stagnant, not producing any buds for years, I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Yet you desperately want all your plants to flower again. Then let's dive into today's video. For your flowering plants to bloom, they need to absorb sufficient micro and macronutrients. To provide these nutrients, I'll use this powder today. This is rice flour, which can be found at any natural food store. If you don't want to buy rice flour, I'll show you how to make it at home. It's very simple. First, you need 100 grams of rice. Any type available at home will do. Prepare a blender and add all the rice. Initially, the rice is still whole grains like this. Now, we'll blend for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, here's the result. The rice has been ground into fine rice flour. So, if you don't want to buy pre-made rice flour, you can easily make it at home using the rice you use daily. This method is not only simple and cost-effective, but also highly effective for plant care. Rice flour helps plants produce lush green leaves, vibrant blooms, and is suitable for most plants in your garden, especially anthuriums, lilies, and orchids. Now that you have rice flour, let's start preparing the solution. Prepare 2 liters of clean water and add 1 full tablespoon of the ground rice flour to the water. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Then, stir thoroughly to ensure the nutrients dissolve in the water. This is a crucial step for the plants to absorb the nutrients from the rice flour most effectively. After stirring, I'll filter the solution to ensure no rice residue remains. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. And finally, you have a very simple and easy to make plant care solution. From here, you can water this solution on all types of plants in your garden, from orchids and ornamental plants to vegetables. All can benefit from it. Method 1. First, I'll pour the prepared solution into a spray bottle. I'll use the diluted rice flour solution to lightly mist the entire plant, from the top to the bottom of the leaves. For plants in the blooming phase, this method helps prolong flower life, as rice contains B vitamins, especially B1, which reduces biological stress, allowing the plant to maintain stable energy throughout the flowering process. For weak, stagnant plants, or those forgotten in a garden corner, misting-like, this not only provides gentle hydration, but also supplies minerals and amino acids from rice, essential elements to awaken leaf cells and support the plant in restarting its growth process. For hydroponic plants like this, misting is a way to help them recover faster, especially after erratic weather changes. Additionally, natural nutrients in rice flour, such as vitamin B1, potassium, and amino acids, enhance leaf resilience, support more effective photosynthesis, and promote new root growth and glossier, greener leaves. Mist evenly but gently, avoiding excessive water pooling, and mist in the early morning or cool afternoon for optimal absorption. Method 2. After misting, I'll use the remaining solution, dilute it further with 500 milliliters of clean water, and water directly at the base. This is a crucial step, especially for orchids that haven't grown for a long time and seem stagnant. When watered at the base, the starch from rice decomposes slowly, creating a favorable environment for beneficial microorganisms to thrive around the roots. Simultaneously, nutrients like proteins, magnesium, potassium, and calcium in rice flour are gradually absorbed by the roots, helping to nourish weakened roots and laying the foundation for recovery. Each pot only needs a small amount of solution, water just enough to moisten, avoiding excess water pooling in the pot to prevent waterlogging. For blooming plants, base watering nourishes the entire plant from within, enhancing nutrient flow to flower buds, keeping flowers vibrant, richly colored, and longer lasting. For decorative plants like this money plant, Base watering with rice water helps maintain lasting beauty and lush greenery year-round. Rice contains vitamin B1, which promotes rapid recovery, stimulates new root growth for better water and nutrient absorption, while potassium and trace minerals enhance plant resilience, reducing yellowing or root rot. Method 3. After completing the 2 steps above, I'll use a soft, dry cloth to gently wipe the entire leaf surface, especially the area where leaves meet the stem. This is a small but crucial step, especially for orchids, as water lingering can easily cause leaf or stem rot. Wiping dry keeps the plant clean and allows leaves to absorb light better. For blooming plants, good light supports consistent photosynthesis, ensuring flowers are well nourished. For previously neglected plants, cleaning and drying the leaf surface helps the plant breathe again, paving the way for recovery starting with reactivated leaves. Clean leaves not only enhance the beauty of your living space, but also improve plant respiration and light absorption, stimulating photosynthesis and promoting natural growth. Additionally, rice water contains small amounts of amino acids and natural vitamins, enhancing leaf gloss, reducing pests, and deterring small insects. Remember, leaves are where plants absorb light, exchange gases, and regulate moisture. Keeping leaves clean and dry is key to keeping the plant healthy from root to tip. Results. For blooming orchids, this solution extends flower lifespan, keeping them fresh longer and less prone to wilting. Nutrients from rice, such as B vitamins, starch, and minerals like potassium and magnesium, nourish the entire plant from leaves to roots, helping maintain vitality throughout the blooming phase. For stagnant plants, those forgotten in corners, not producing roots, shoots, or growth, rice flour solution acts like a natural revival tonic. The nutrients in rice stimulate root regeneration, awaken the plant's metabolism, and boost photosynthesis from the leaves, restarting a growth cycle that's been dormant too long. After just a few weeks of consistent use, you'll witness miracles. New leaves sprouting, new roots emerging, and the plant coming back to life. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Wonder Garden, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with all the useful plant care tips I share. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to read and respond to as many as I can. Thank you for joining Wonder Garden. See you in the next videos.